everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here to tell you all about the best and worst products for locks that I've used in the early stages of my journey. So, I don't want this video to be very long. I'm going to be straight to the point. When I did my research on lock journeys on YouTube, I did see a lot of people using wax on their locks. I thought that was really strange. I saw so many people using it, but yet I was still hearing a lot of people saying don't do it. And I'm like, so many people are doing it and they're fine. Why shouldn't I? So I remember I saw that Murray's beeswax and I bought it and I felt it on my fingertips. I should have known from then that I wouldn't like it on my hair. I used it for a full retwist and it left my hair feeling so greasy. I'm like, oh my goodness, this is going to attract every fragment of lint that is floating through the air. It is going to attract every bit of dust that the wind blows my way. And I washed my hair out after a couple of days. I said, I have to do this again. I have to use a better product. Now, if there's people out there who are using wax and they are enjoying it, more power to you. I just don't recommend it. I don't do it. I don't recommend it. And just, I mean, there's just so many other things you can use, right? With that being said, the beauty supply store, I mean, of course we all have our own beauty supply stores in our local neighborhoods, but in general, beauty supply stores have very similar products. And what those products have in common is that they are very cheap. Now, the products are so cheap partially because the manufacturer orders such a large amount of those products. So you know how wholesale works. If you order more products, you're able to sell them for cheaper because you paid cheaper to get them. So that's one reason why they're cheaper. But another reason why they're cheaper is because the ingredients are really cheap. And if the ingredients are really cheap, that means the quality of the ingredients are really cheap. And if the quality is cheap and you're using it on your locks, then how's the quality of your locks? Not the optimal. It's just not. I'm not gonna say your locks are poor quality because of the products you're putting on your locks. I'm not gonna say that, because your locks are still your locks. That's still your DNA. I'm not gonna say your DNA is poor quality. I'm not gonna say that. But I will say is that it could be better quality. So once I started switching my attention to using natural products, natural oils, especially organic ones, I saw a difference in the quality of my hair and the texture of my hair and the moisture retention of my hair. And I was just overall more pleased with my hair once I started being more hands-on, being more considerate of my hair and its health. With that being said, organic products, natural products, they are a lot more expensive than the beauty supply store products. They are a lot less accessible. I mean, of course, if you are making the products yourself, there's a little easier, but as far as finding cultivated products that are tested and that are, you know, that have great reviews and things, those are a little harder to find. But it's worth it. But it's worth it. It's worth putting that investment into your hair care. It's worth it putting that investment into your self-care, because essentially the things you put on your scalp, it's going into your body. The things you put into your scalp will be absorbed into your skin, thus your bloodstream, thus your body. So that's essentially it. The worst products that I used on my locks was specifically Murray's beeswax, but in general, beauty supply store, cheap products over the counter, really cheap, accessible, grab and go products. And the best products that I used for my locks were my own herb infused products. My products, if you are interested in checking them out, definitely visit www.keishacharmaine.com. I have excellent reviews, especially on the horsetail leaf growth oil. That's a very well loved oil. Tons of great reviews on that. I also have emu oil growth drops. I also have the rose water moisturizer, which is a very new product, but it's also becoming a fan favorite. My herb and lime oil, which will be back this summer, so stay tuned for that. That is a limited edition oil that's only available in the summertime. So if you're interested in checking out some organic lock products, definitely check out my shop. But of course there are tons of other organic lock product resources for you. Definitely do your research and find what works for you, because there's not one, hair care is not a one size fits all thing, so keep that in mind. It's okay to go through the process of guess and check, of experimentation. We all have to do that to find the best for us. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. I'm growing very well here on YouTube, but my Instagram is kind of slacking. It's fine. You know, I prefer YouTube as a platform overall anyway, but I would still love to have growth on Instagram as well. So please be sure to follow me there at Keisha Charmaine. I'm more consistent on there, more present on there anyway. That is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks. The Love, Light, and Locks Rosewater Moisturizer has been getting really great reviews. Check it out on www.keishacharmaine.com. Do you see how much mist you get with a single spray? Perfect for quick and generous application to be distributed all over your luscious locks. And it's great for loose naturals and protective styles too. With organic rosewater, aloe vera juice, horsetail extract, and more, this blend is carefully crafted for optimal hydration and nourishment for your natural hair. Check out my shop. We have free shipping today. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.